வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனல் பெஸ்ட் சைனிக் கோச்சிங். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா சைனிக் கோச்சிங் கிளாஸுக்கு உண்டான இங்கிலீஷ் சாப்டரை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். இங்கிலீஷில் என்னென்ன சாப்டர் வரும் அப்படிங்கிறத ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டு என்னென்ன சாப்டர்லேருந்து கொஸ்டின் வரும்போது ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு வீடியோ போஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். இன்னைக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்னா என்ன, அதில் ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட்ஸும் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ பார்க்கலாங்களா? வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை இங்கிலீஷ்? English is a language. English is a language. What is meant by language? Language is a communicational thing. I want to convey my message to another by two way, orally and writtenly. But English also we may communicate orally and writtenly. In world, some of the language have oral type, but not in letter. Okay, English. English have 26 alphabets. 26 alphabets. Out of this, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. Remaining letters are consonants. Okay. There is 26 letters in English. The 5 letters are vowels, remaining are consonants. Okay. In English, only 2 letter gives the meaning. For example, A and I, these 2 letters only gives the meaning, but remaining letters, yes, no meaning. K, no meaning. O, no meaning. A and I is the meaning. A means, yeah, in Tamil சொல்றோம்னா ஒரு, I, நான். In the 2 letters are the give the perfect meaning, but yes, this is not meaning. Okay, next, what is English? Yeah. English is, then we see letter, then word. Group of letters joined together, that is called word. One or more word joined together called word. I, one letter, A, one letter, but more than 2, V, B, like that various words are joined together called word. Then sentence. Group of word joined together give the meaningful sense, means that is called sentence. இப்போ நிறைய சொற்கள் சேர்ந்து ஒரு நிறைவு பெற்ற முழுமையான மீனிங்ஃபுல்லான செய்தியை கொடுக்கக்கூடியது சென்டென்ஸ் நாம் சொல்றோம். சென்டென்ஸ் இஸ் divided into 4 type. One, assertive, what is the next one? Assertive or declarative? Second one, what? Imperative. Third one, fourth one, exclamatory. This is assertive or declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence na நம்ம ஒரு வார்த்தைக்கு சொல்றோம், ஒரு முழுமை பெற்ற ஒரு சாதாரண செய்தியை சொல்றது assertive or declarative sentence. Imperative sentence, it is comes under order, command. This called imperative sentence. Interrogative sentence, that is ends with question mark. That interrogative itself, it is a question mark word. கேள்வி கேட்கக்கூடிய வார்த்தைகளுக்கு பெயர் interrogative sentence. Exclamatory sentence, exclamatory means that is ஆச்சரியம், ஆச்சரியக்குறி, that is called exclamatory sentence. Okay, then we are going to see about what are the parts of speech in English. Parts of speech. Parts of speechல என்னென்ன இருக்குங்கிறது பார்க்குறோம். Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective. Next, what comes next?
Conjunction.
Conjunction. Preposition. Okay, these all are the parts of speech in English. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. இப்போ ஒரு வாக்கியம் சில இதெல்லாம் இருக்கக்கூடியது தான் பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய. இப்போ இன்னைக்கு நம்ம மெயினாக பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து நவுனை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். We are going to see about briefly in noun. Noun is a word that describes about things or human beings or place called noun. Okay. Noun describes about human being, animal, place, or things. Okay. Now, noun is classified into various categories. Personal noun. Next.
Material noun. Common noun.
Personal common noun.
Abstract noun.
Abstract noun. Material noun. Countable noun. Non-countable noun. Then countable, non-countable, material noun. Okay, enough for the 6th standard level. What is in by personal noun? Ram, Radha, Selvan, John. These all are called personal noun. We particularly indicate that person. That is called personal noun. This is common noun. Common noun is general. This is common for all. City. City is common noun. Bus, common noun. Train. These are common noun. But city in Delhi, this is person noun. Particularly we tell Delhi. This is not common. City is common, but Delhi is not common. This is personal noun. Then abstract noun. This noun is abstract from adjective or adverb. Some other things is called abstract noun. We tell one abstract noun. The mostly abstract noun ends with TION, hood, NESS, like this. Material noun. Material noun means that part is under material. Cement, steel, that's all are called material. Countable noun. We can count what are the elements are count, that is called countable noun. Which are not countable, that is are called uncountable noun. Okay. This is the noun. We have to, this is briefly we seen. Another video we will see very elaborately in another video. Until those who are not subscribe our video, kindly subscribe, and those who are the aspirant of Sainik coaching, to forward them and ask them to sign and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.